In IT, there are a wide range of professionals, engaged in a wide range of tasks. So, what are these different job roles, and what do those professionals actually do? Let's take a look at 5 of the key job roles: that of an IT administrator, an architect, an engineer, a help desk professional, and lastly the DevOps professional. Administrators are who we think of when we think IT. Administrators set the IT policies for the organization in terms of which technologies should be used, what should be the security protocols, who should have access to which files and resources on the network, and so on. Next, let's look at IT architects. Architects are responsible for designing the big picture, that is, what are the goals, and what systems are required to reach those goals. In other words, IT architects set the strategy and direction for technology usage in the organization, define technical standards and design principles, and also guide people in implementing those standards and principles in their day-to-day work. Another role that is closely related to the IT architect is that of an IT engineer. While an IT architect is responsible for the macro plan, the IT engineer is responsible for the actual implementation of that plan. IT engineers address questions such as, what should be the size of the server, how much bandwidth is required, and what type of implementation tasks need to be accomplished before the system is handed over to the administrators for day-to-day operations. It's almost like building a house. You have an architect that draws up the blueprint for your house, and then you have an engineer or general contractor who actually builds the house. So the two jobs are different, and yet similar in many ways, and entail a fair bit of overlap in responsibilities. Another very key role in the IT world is that of a help desk professional. When you have a problem with your computer, or internet, or need access to a file on the shared drive, who do you go to? Help desk professionals are the people who help troubleshoot all your IT-related problems, either themselves, or by assigning it to the relevant team. Tech support of Apple, Dell, and Google are all examples of IT help desk. Let's now turn our attention to development and operations professional, popularly known as DevOps, a frequently used term in the IT industry these days. Traditional IT operations require programmers to design the solution and administrators to manage everyday operations. So, in case of a problem, administrators pass it on to the programmers find a solution, and then hand it back to the administrators. DevOps, on the other hand, is an interesting discipline that brings together developers, programmers, and administrators, so, if there is an issue, they all work together to fix it as one team. These are just some of the key job roles in the IT industry. There are many more, some of which you'll learn about as you move along with the course. If you want to gain deeper understanding of DevOps role, we recommend reading the book, Site Reliability Engineering. The book is written by Google, and is available for free.